Hello, this tutorial is provided to you by Lime International. Today we're glad to show you how to set up alerts function in our trading platform LimeTrader Mobile. After this tutorial, you should expect a sufficient understanding of how to use various methods of setting up, adjusting, and in overall working with alerts in LimeTrader. Without any further ado, let's get started. After installing LimeTrader on your mobile device from App Store or Google Play, you need to log in using credentials which you received after opening an account. This is discussed in greater detail in the basics tutorial from LimeTrader. To begin with, we need to choose a preferred asset in the Assets window by selecting it. It will display its price action in the Charts window as shown. With this, we are ready to set up an alert. The main way to set up an alert is with Alert button above the current chart displayed as a bell icon. After pressing it, you'll be provided with Alert Settings window where you can manually insert preferable values in corresponding fields. Condition or the reason why alert will go off displayed as those arrow icons at the top. It could be set up as price touching the value or crossing it in various ways. Price value, which will trigger the set alert if price touches it. Comment provides the user with beforehand setup message during the time when the alert goes off. Activation and expiration fields designate the lifespan of an alert. Confirmation allows to either set up an alert with or without requirement for condition to persist a certain amount of time or after a certain amount of trades as shown. After you successfully set up preferred alert, you can find those at the side menu in the alert section. Here you can review your alerts and remove those as shown. This concludes this tutorial for setting up alerts with LimeTrader Mobile. Stay tuned for more useful information and helpful tutorials in the future from Lime.